guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video I'm going to be trying out a whole bunch of new products that I have bought and received. I thought I'd do a like full face, fresh face kind of makeup, which is my favorite, and we're also approaching spring summer, which is my favorite season for beauty and also just my well-being. For those of you that don't know as well, I've also started Invisalign, which is why I've got a little bit of a list. I've actually changed my tray today, so it's even more difficult to talk, so excuse if I pronounce any words wrong or you don't understand me. Yeah, sorry. But yeah, let's get right into today's video. I'm really excited to try out these products. I've heard quite a few good things about some of them, so yeah, let's get right into it. Just pull my hair back so you can see my skin a bit better. But the first product is the Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer. I have actually used this once and I wanted to show you guys how it looks on my skin because it's so good. Like, I've never actually used a primer with this kind of consistency. It's very watery. It looks like a cream when you first put it on, but it is very watery, especially when it's paired with the right foundation. The foundation I'm going to use is actually the one that matches this one, just so you can see like the full thing. But it's really nice. I really like it. Estee Lauder really pulled through with this one. It's very lightweight. It kind of feels like a satin like finish. It's not greasy. It kind of dries down matte, if I'm being honest. Not matte, but like a satiny finish, which is nice and doesn't feel like much on the skin, but you can kind of see already what it does for my skin. And yeah, to go with that primer, I'm going to use the Futurist HYDRA Rescue Moisturizing Makeup Tint by Estee Lauder as well. I'm in the shade Cashew, which is the same as my Double Wear, and this is very watery. It's like slipping. Don't know if you can see, but it's very watery, very lightweight. I've used this one as well before and I really like both of them together or individually. Like, sometimes I just wear the foundational tinted moisturizer and it's really nice. Like, the coverage, it still has coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. I like to apply both with my fingers because like they're quite easy to use and blend. So yeah, these two products so far I really like. And for those of you that don't know, currently on my Instagram and also on TikTok now, I'm reviewing all types of tinted moisturizers. Like, so far I've reviewed Fenty, I can't pronounce that, but so far I've reviewed Fenty, like a few others as well. So if you want to see some insight and honest opinions on tinted moisturizers, just follow me on them. How gorgeous does this finish and like coverage look though? Like, this is my current favorite Estee Lauder foundation. This over the Double Wear any day. Now onto brows. I'm going to use this Lottie London Mega Brow like wax that they brought out. It's kind of similar to the soap brow, I imagine. So I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna go for like a soapy brow. Nothing too dramatic though, just literally just brush them up a little bit. Yeah, like I never really use soap brows. Like the soap brow product, it's never been something I've wanted because I just think, why not just use soap? Why do I need to go and buy your soap? Do you know what I mean? So it's never really been my thing. But yeah, this is looking good. Like, nothing crazy. I mean, I don't know how crazy wax can be. Yeah, that was okay. It wasn't anything crazy. Like, it's just a soap brow kind of product. So yeah, on to the next. Next, let's do like a subtle eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Chocolate Brown Obsessions palette that they brought out. Got all these nice warm shades. They actually sent me all three of them, which is so nice of them. But I'm gonna use this one because it's like neutral and like really easy to use. So yeah, let's try out just a nice brown. Picking it up. Oh, it's got a lot of fallout. It actually, yeah, I just dabbed my brush in there and a lot is coming out already. Okay, let's see how it blends. It's pigmented though, like it's very pigmented. I've only got a little bit on my brush because most of it was fallout. But yeah, it's like really colourful. The colours are really nice as well. Blend in very nicely as well. Just the fallout on the tray was just quite surprising. And then I'm gonna take this like pressed colour here. I'm just gonna use my finger because I'm scared and just put it on my eyelid. Kind of got like a pink shimmer in there. It's kind of going everywhere though, I won't lie. Let me try control this. Okay, so the eyeshadow is really pretty, but actually like trying to control it is kind of difficult because there's like a lot of fallout and it's gone under my eye, like where I didn't put it. So yeah, I don't know, like maybe do this first and then do your base, because now it's like all on my foundation. Camera's not really picking up where it's fallen out, but it's like all here, which isn't the best thing. But yeah, let's continue. I might actually use some concealer, maybe. Let's use some concealer. So for concealer, I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener. I've used this one before as well, so I know how it works. It's very, like, a lot comes out at once and it's quite scary. It's not got crazy coverage, but it does brighten your eye, which is very strange. Like, it doesn't have coverage, but it does do something, basically. Like, this concealer and the skin tint together are really good. Like, I really do like this concealer. It's my favorite concealer that Fenty have, and also the skin tint is my favorite base product that they have. It also doesn't dry down matte, which I really like. I don't like my eyes to look dry because they're already dry. So I like when my eyes look hydrated and plump, which I think this does. I don't actually have a new bronzer that I haven't used, so I'm just gonna skip that step. And also I feel like I don't need a bronzer right now, so I'm just gonna use blush. The blush I'm gonna use is this Made by Mitchell liquid blush. It is so pretty. I've used it before and the color is so gorgeous. Just gonna use my hand to blend this up. I actually saw this trick from Alice. Alice does this all the time, so I'm doing it too. And you can see it's like really, this on no makeup is just so beautiful. I really do love the formula as well. It's quite a moussey formula, which is really nice. I've gone overboard as always, so I'm gonna get my foundation brush and just diffuse it a bit. Gorgeous. I love it. I love it so much. It's so fresh and like the color's so nice. I definitely do rate this like 10 out of 10. Yeah, this blush is currently up there with one of my top blushes right now. It's just so nice for spring, summer. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to wearing this. Now mascara, not a new one, but one I haven't used before. It's the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. It's very, very small and the brush is very, very small. I don't know if I got the smallest size or something, but let's just go. Mascara is really not doing anything. Like, it's really just giving bare minimum right now. It's really like, it's actually not doing anything. Like, I don't know why. It's making me angry. Why is it not doing anything? No, this is so bad. This is probably like the worst mascara I've ever used in terms of doing nothing. It's literally not adding, not even like a bit of color. I'm trying, guys, like I'm actually trying. Yeah, so that was a no. This mascara is not good. Like, don't buy this. This is not gonna do anything. Anyway, on to highlight. I'm gonna use the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear. It's like a highlighter basically. It's the intense gold shade. It's really, really pretty. I'm really looking forward to using this. Just gonna apply it here. Ooh, okay, that is a lot. It's like a champagne-y color. Very nice, very nice. You can see it literally looks like a landing strip on my face. I'm gonna blend it out. Let's just blend this and see how it blends. All blends very nicely. Very creamy. Nice, nice. I like this. Yeah, this highlight is a yes. Like, my skin just looks so good, if I do say so myself right now. Like, the products are just blending very nicely. Everything is just working and I love it. Now onto the final product, which is the lips. I'm gonna use this Gucci lipstick that they just recently launched. They actually sent me every shade, which is really nice of them. But the one that stood out to me the most that I really wanna use is the 307 one. It's like a brown. It's like really nice. It just looks really, really nice. So I'm gonna apply. Oh, they come out like a tinted balm instead of a lipstick. They're really like shiny and sheer. Oh, I prefer a sheer over a like tinted or like a heavy duty any day. If you know me, then you would know that. But yeah, these are really nice. They're very moisturizing as well. Ooh, ooh, Gucci. This is the color up close just so you can see. It kind of looks really red on camera, but it's like a really nice consistency. It's really, really nice. I'm just diffusing it because I want it to look kind of blended and like diffused. I think that would look really nice. But these are really, really nice. Like, I'm actually kind of obsessed. It looks so good. Oh my god. Oh, let's take my hair out for the final look. So yeah, this is the final look. I actually really like the majority of the products I tried, except for, I'm not gonna name what. But yeah, I really like how this looks. It's really fresh, like the lip and everything, how it matches the eye. It was really unintentional, but it just works. So yeah, that was just a little review kind of try on for some products. I should do these more often because I have so much makeup that I don't use. I usually just stick to like my favorites and what I know. But I'm gonna do these more because I know some of you guys like, I might have something that you guys want to see before you buy. So I'm gonna do that more often. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.